So far, in this beautiful journey unto self, we got to know Chitra Jha as a person, as a global nomad, and of course, we witnessed the making of the master. A true master is the one who never ceases learning, because a true master never has all the answers. So the seeking continues. Embracing life as it comes easily to Chitra Jha. That is one of the reasons that she embraced technology too, to her advantage. Who would have thought then that her WhatsApp workshops would be so inspiring? Let's know from Chitra Jha herself. How has this new stint with technology been so far?
WhatsApp, I became aware of it in 2012. I didn't even have a smartphone at that time. Later, when I got one in 2014, I downloaded WhatsApp, but I was just not using it. It's only when I started doing my workshops in 2016 and I started creating WhatsApp groups for people to get to know each other and to do some theory first before we meet in our in-person workshops. And now sometimes we were doing these WhatsApp groups, stayed for a month or more, where people were pouring out all their stuff, and so it kind of was becoming a workshop, but unstructured workshop. It's only later I thought of, why not just have this particular component as a structured WhatsApp workshop. That was in 2017 when I did my first WhatsApp workshop from Spain on gender reconciliation. And it worked. So that kind of gave me the idea that, oh my God, this is just perfect, for me, especially for our lifestyle where we move around, and it was as though this was just made for me. So when I came back to India and I said, okay, I've handled one WhatsApp group, but I can handle more. So I created 3 simultaneous WhatsApp groups on self-love, practicing self-love, and letting go of past baggage and receiving abundance. And suddenly all my 3 groups had more than 40 participants in each group. I was charging 2,100 for 21 days, and this was good money. I just couldn't believe that such a thing is possible. Within 6 months, I had doubled my rate, and I had also started doing 4 workshops. And I so started enjoying creating newer and newer subjects that now I have workshops on almost I don't know how, I hardly repeat my subjects, and people ask me, when are you going to do this again? And I say, I don't know, because there's so many subjects which are still in pipeline which I have not yet handled. So everything that affects a human, I can create a workshop on that. And in the meantime, I also started utilizing my own books that I have written. I have 4 books to my credit. And I said, there is a material for a series of workshops in that. So I started using that material also for workshops. And I'm so happy because it has the potential to reach out to a lot of people who cannot come for in-person workshops. In-person workshops become expensive because we have to hire a venue, we have to cater for refreshments, people have to travel. So it all kind of, and then you have 2 full days of intense work, while a WhatsApp workshop for 21 days, sitting in the comfort of your own home, doing taking out time according to your convenience, and it just works beautifully because you need time, to just intensive work. It's like you join a gym, 2 days you go and do intensive workshops, intensive workouts, but then you do nothing after that. It's not going to help you. While if you every day do little by little workout, it's going to help you. Same is for this work, inner work. So It's how technology is helping create newer stuff. So I'm just in the flow of technology.